National bird of the United States.
Bald eagle. Scientific name, Haliaeetus leucocephalus. The bald eagle is a bird of prey found in North America. Its range includes most of Canada and Alaska, all of the contiguous United States, and northern Mexico.
It builds the largest nest of any North American bird and the largest tree nests ever recorded for any animal species, up to 4 meters, 13 feet deep, 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet wide, and 1 metric ton, 1.1 short tons, in weight.
The largest recorded nest was found in Florida in 1963, and was measured at 2.9 meters, 9.5 feet, wide and 6.1 meters, 20 feet, deep.
Bald eagles are not bald. The name derives from an older meaning of the word, white-headed. The adult is mainly brown with a white head and tail. The sexes are identical in plumage, but females are about 25% larger than males.
The bald eagle is the national bird and national symbol of the United States, is prominent in seals and logos, coinage, postage stamps, and other items relating to the U.S. federal government. It was adopted as a national emblem in 1782.
The bald eagle is a powerful flyer, and soars on thermal convection currents. It reaches speeds of 56 to 70 kilometers per hour, 35 to 43 miles per hour, when gliding and flapping, and about 48 kilometers per hour, 30 miles per hour, while carrying fish.
The bald eagle is an opportunistic carnivore with the capacity to consume a great variety of prey. Fish often comprise most of the eagle's diet throughout their range. To hunt fish, the eagle swoops down over the water and snatches the fish out of the water with its talons.
The average lifespan of bald eagles in the wild is around 20 years, with the oldest confirmed one having been 38 years of age. In captivity, they often live somewhat longer. In one instance, a captive individual in New York lived for nearly 50 years.
The bald eagle is a sacred bird in some North American cultures, and its feathers, like those of the golden eagle, are central to many religious and spiritual customs among Native Americans. Eagles are considered spiritual messengers between gods and humans by some cultures.
On June 20th, we set aside time to raise awareness about the bald eagle and to preserve the bird's natural habitat. National American Eagle Day was launched by the American Eagle Foundation, a Tennessee organization focused on protecting bald eagles and their fellow birds of prey.